So I'll give even something better. If you guys want to add this thing that I usually add, if the conversation is getting kind of boring, do this. Be like, hey, random question. Are you, and then whatever you say after that doesn't matter. You can say like, are you a Star Wars fan? And then she'll be like, oh my God, yes. How did you know? Or she'll be like, no, I'm not a Star Wars fan. I'll be like, oh, I swear to God, I definitely thought you were a Star Wars fan. And then she'll be like, oh, why do you say that? And you'll be like, well, because you're I don't know. I thought you were carrying a lightsaber in there. And then you open up, you point to her bag, and she's like, maybe has something sticking out of it. And then you can make fun of her about how she would be the perfect Jedi, or maybe she'd turn to the dark side. Things like that. Like whatever. If it's boring, just be like, hey, random question. Have you been to Envision Festival? Oh, you haven't? Oh, you totally look like you would go. You would love it there. And then now she has to ask the follow-up questions like, what is Envision Festival? Why do you think I would have a really fun time there? Or why do you think I had been there? So then, yeah, that'll spice up the conversation a little bit if it's getting kind of lame. Random question.
I like it. I like how you've made it so that she has to know more. Like you're creating that curiosity element with what you're saying, because the way, no,
and
that's awesome.
Leading the conversation. She's like, yeah, tell me,
right,
follow me, show me, let me follow you.
So Initiator was asking, what is exactly what he just demonstrated to you? Like he's leading the conversation because he's setting the direction in which it's going to go. Because if someone says, oh, I thought for sure you were a Star Wars fan, what's the next logical thing that's going to happen? You've led the conversation into them asking, why would you think that? Like there's no other answer that someone could really give besides, oh, I'm not. Like that'd be a ridiculous answer. Like you would always ask, well, why would you think that? So he's led it down the path that he wants it to go.
Yeah. And again, it doesn't matter what it is. Like almost every time I'm like, they're like, no, what do you think that? And stick with it.
All right. So we should probably get this wrapping up here, but I wanted to real quick,